Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Twinkie Bits Tech. Here the build is essentially complete. The water cooling loop is complete and has been leak tested for about roughly 8 to 12 hours. The only thing left to do now is adding the lighting strips and clear up some of the wiring, tidy up some of the wiring in the back, and add more concentrate to make the black coolant a little bit darker. And now we have the finished build. For this build, I think the color scheme came out about how I imagined it, and I am fairly pleased with the black and white contrast I have in the case. And I probably do have to fix the red lighting on the motherboard. I think the red lighting strip on the left is, I can probably turn that off in the BIOS settings. I don't know about the I think it's some sort of a RAM indicator light on the right. I don't know if I can turn the one on the right off by the RAM, but I will look into that and I will try to turn that off. The coolant I'm using is the XSPC black coolant, and from what I've read on the internet, it is a fairly good coolant. The color does look pretty good if you add enough concentrate, and this is slightly, I think it's slightly more concentrated than 1:9 concentrate to distill water. It's probably 1:8 at the moment, so it is a little bit more concentrated than what it's supposed to be. When it was the 1:9, the suggested concentration, it was a little bit more see-through than I would have liked, but here you can see the color's actually pretty dark, and I am fairly pleased with the result of the build. Hope you've enjoyed this build log so far, and if you like this build log, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.